Hello viewer, it's a cow shape. We are using the designs here. Create the angle there. I will make different designs and paint on that. So let's use it. Our shape there. I will take another cow design. Make a different angle there. Choose the paint for making different picture. So let's explore the opportunity for making it circular shapes on the body.